Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello all, my name is Nikita Tikekar and our PBL topic is Space Invader game. As we know, this is group project and me and my team members Samruddhi Kadam, Shreya Godale, Mrudula Patankar, we implement this game. We created the game using Python language in which we import some modules like Pygame, Math, Random. So what is Pygame? Pygame is a cross-platform set of Python module which is used to create video games. It consists of computer graphics and sound libraries designed to be used with the Python programming language. Now I want to talk about the steps that how we implementing this project. We creating our first game window and changing title, logo and background. Game window that means screen which is of 800 by 600 pixel using Pygame module and in which we use set mode function. Our second step is adding images into our game and movement mechanics in game development. We add images like players, enemies, bullet, background image. We upload that image into the game using the syntax pygame.image.load and in parenthesis name of the file of that image. Our next step is keyboard input controls and key pressed event. For the movement of players we need this step. We add some keys like K left, K right which is already in Pygame. Then we creating bullets for shooting purposes. The thing is enemies are coming from upward, so bullet is going in upward direction, that is from y axis. So we keep x axis 0 and changes y axis, that is bullet is going up to 480 pixel from y axis and we use two states here, that is ready and fire. Ready means can't see the bullet on the screen and fire is for the bullet is currently moving. The next step is collision detection. We wanted to hit the enemy, so the bullet has to collide with the enemy. So how we do the collision? For this we calculate distance between bullet and enemy. If distance is short enough, then we can say that it has collided. We created each collision function. It helps us to define whether a collision between bullet and enemy has occurred or not. Now for any kind of mathematical operation we have importing math module. If distance is less than 27 pixel, the condition has occurred, otherwise not. When we hit the enemy, the score will get added to the place. The enemy it gets default location after getting hit. Then adding sounds and background music. We added the three sounds. First is background sound, it playing continuously on background. Second sound is shooting a bullet and third is explosion is going to produce when our laser bullet hits the enemy. For this we import mixer from Pygame library. What is mixer? Mixer is a class that helps us handle all kind of music inside our game. Our last step is game over screen. Then many of these enemies come closer to the player, maybe at the end of screen. Then we gonna show a big text of game over in middle of screen. Now I am explaining what's that game. In this Space Invader game, player will fight against the monster or enemy using the bullet. Basically player can only defend their space and if player is failed to defend the monster, comes closer to player and game finish. Lastly scorecard is displayed on the screen. So what's the application of this game? This project helps in gaming industry. As we know that scope of gaming industry increases day by day. Through this game, children can also implement their skills, means that they think how the project works and how to create it. As a result, the children can increase their knowledge and skill of game development. So what's the future scope of this game? We know that this is small game, but this is our first step. From using this the logic of this game, we implement some big or most popular games like Free Fire, Snippers 3D, PUBG, etc. At next, we show how our code works and how output get displayed. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.